Here in the video, we are going to talk about Deceit Error Code 1000. The error reads, connecting to server, reason, connection closed by peer. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to connect to the server while playing Deceit on PS5, but the connection gets closed and the game fails to load properly. According to our research, this error may come due to network interruptions, outdated game files, or pending updates for Steam or the system firmware. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. After restarting both, open the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your game needs any updates. If there is an update available, install it and check for the error. If the error still persists, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then check if your Steam client needs to be updated. If yes, update it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if your device firmware needs an update. If any update is pending, install it and check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then possibly this is a server-side issue, so wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.